So, hello ma'am, my name is Cedric Glenn V. Colongo, and I'm going to discuss about the official salute of Arnis, which is courtesy. So, your first step, you're going to put your arm like this in a parallel way. Then, the second step will be, you're going to move sideward your left foot. Then, the third step, going to return that. Then, put your right arm forward. Then, your left arm will be here in your chest. Then, for the last step, we're going to return that way, this way. Then, so hello ma'am, I'm going to demonstrate the attention stance. The attention stance like the step 1 and step 2 of the courtesy. So you're going to hold your knee together and make your upward feet 45 degrees, and you're going to hold your stick side by side, and the next step will be you're going to move your left foot sideward, and that's it. Alright. So, let's talk about the open leg ready stance. So, ang open leg ready stance kay mura rin mo siya gina-ready imuhang sarili sa possible attack sa imong kalaban. So, first, imong tiil kay naka-informal position and your knees kay naka-slightly bent, your right arm kay naka 45 degrees sa ground, and then your left arm, the use of your left arm is to support your and then mo ni siya ang point of view pag nagtakilid, and balik ka sa front. That's it. So I'm going to demonstrate the straddle stance. This is almost the same sa open leg stance. Ang kalahian lang or ang difference lang kay ang imong leg kay spread further and bend further. Same position sa hand, and your left hand kay nakasupport lang gyapon. So mo siya ang point of view pag nagtakilid. Tikas, then back. So right now, ato ang i-demo ang right forward stance. So, ang tiil, save lang ang bugaton, naka-forward ang right. Same stance, it's like this. And ang trunk nimo naka face forward. Tapos, side view. Ganito.
Wait.
So, let's talk about the right backward stance. So, ang right backward stance o right forward stance, kaya ang kalahian lang kay ang kabug-aton. So, equivalent to 100% yapon siya. So, ang rear nimo, ang likod, 60, and ang front, 40. Same position, naka-right, naka-L formation, and naka-front sa kalaban, 90 degrees. Just like this. So karon, lastly, the oblique forward stance. So mura siya right backward stance pero not totally the same, okay? Kani siya naka forward, knee mo same position, naka 45 degrees, just like this. Imong trunk, okay? And bend further jud ang knee. Tapos ang likod, ano lang.